Tagalog-English translation. Pag-uugali, behavior, panatilihin, to maintain, layunin, purpose or goal, kasipagan, diligence, makaluma, old-fashioned, vintage, makabuluhan, meaningful, kasabwat, accomplish, sapilitan, compulsory or force, himala or milagro, miracle, pakay, aim or objective, tapat, honest or loyal, katapatan, honesty or loyalty, kapasidad, capacity or ability, magtulungan, to cooperate,